In the heart of the sunny forest, two playful woodland creatures engaged in a game of hide-and-seek. Amid the rustling leaves, Squirrel stumbled upon a mysterious treasure map hidden beneath a bush. Intrigued by the prospect of adventure, Rabbit listened intently to Squirrel's animated description of the map.
With a mixture of trepidation and excitement, the two friends stood before the gaping maw of the cavern, ready to embark on their quest.
Without warning, the ground gave way beneath Rabbit, plunging him into the depths of a dark hole. Heart pounding, Squirrel peered into the abyss, his friend's fate uncertain in the pitch-black depths below. Determination etched on his features, Squirrel studied the map with furrowed brows, plotting a daring rescue mission. With a flicker of hope in his eyes, Rabbit gazed up at his friend, whose unwavering determination shone through as he lowered a lifeline into the darkness. Hand in paw, Rabbit and Squirrel emerged from the depths of the hole, their adventure forging an unbreakable bond of friendship and resilience.